everyone, welcome to our English Day video.
Today we'll take you to one of the most exciting events in Penghu, the Penghu Fireworks Festival. And this year's theme is Snoopy.
That's right, it's full of lights, songs, great food and fun. The Penghu Fireworks Festival happens every year from May to July.
It's mostly held at Guanyin Recreation Area in Magong City.
People gather there every week to enjoy beautiful fireworks shows.
It starts at 9 p.m., but people arrive early to find a good spot.
And this year, you can find Snoopy and his friends everywhere.
There are 2 amazing fireworks shows every week.
There are also light shows and music performances.
Sounds great! The Penghu Fireworks Festival started in 2003.
Now, many tourists visit Penghu just to see the show every year.
There are even Snoopy drums and Peanut characters on display this year.
Lots of families come to take photos with Snoopy at night. We hope you enjoyed learning about the Penghu Fireworks Festival.
Welcome to see the different display, enjoy the food and watch amazing fireworks.
Hey, let's make a wish for next year's theme. What would you like to see?
I would like to see Crayon Show train. Aside from fireworks, there are lots of wonderful views.
Yes, like also beautiful beaches and some historical spots that you can visit.
Bring your camera, your family, and your smile.
See you in Penghu!
You can use the QR codes to complete the games online. Thank you.